Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post questions for your followers to answer. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. Below, you're provided with 5 icons. You click on the icon that contains your profile picture, which is the last icon. And here, you click on the plus sign above and click on story, which is your third icon. You click on the photo of your choice and then you click on sticker icon, which is the second option here. And here you click on questions and then you can ask them any question. Let's say, what's your fave food? And then they can respond here. Click on done and there you have it. To post, you click on the third icon below that looks like an arrow facing the right. And then you can share your story or share to your close friends or DMs. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.